All right. This is our first time checking out Peter Gabriel. We're listening to a song called Sledgehammer. Let's get into it.
Okay.
Okay, hold up. I need a break. I gotta get used to this. This dude looks like he is tweaking. Like, you saw that in person? What would you think?
I would run. I'd be so scared.
Right, you would think he was tweaked out.
I would think he was like not even human. Because he's like between...
I would think he was strung out on drugs and just tweaking.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
He's not like smooth at all. But yeah, this, I'm trying to listen to the song, but honestly the video is very like distracting. So I'm like...
In the 80's, they just learned about these special effects. So
right.
They just wanted to use them
like,
all.
Boom, boom, boom! Use it! Every single second. I think
I might like the song. In the beginning, it sounded familiar. I think someone else has used this beat before.
Oh. Okay.
The very beginning part. I was like, wait, I've heard this. And I was like, no, I haven't heard this. I think someone has sampled this beat or a part of the beat.
Okay.
Not sure where or what, but that did sound a little familiar.
Okay.
I'm trying to listen to the song.
Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
But dude is tweaking.
You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a fun car bumping.
Oh!
This amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Yeah. Yeah. Show me around your fruitcake, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruitcake, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer.
Oh!
Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Oh my goodness.
Sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. Sledge.
Okay, so this could also be the name of an adult film.
Right? Because he said open up your fruit cage or
like
something.
Something in your fruit. Honeybee or something.
Yeah.
Then went into the whole fruit thing and open up your fruit.
He said, I will be your sledgehammer.
Right.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Okay. Oh! What in the world?
I get it right. I keep the habit,
so 80s. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Okay, I think it's over. It's 30 seconds left. It looks like credits.
So,
What'd you think?
So I actually thought the song was good. I thought the singer sounded a little bit like Phil Collins.
Okay.
Just a little bit. But I thought the sound was good, but the video had nothing to do with the sound, so I found myself like trying to assess the video and then also trying to like listen and assess the song and the lyrics and stuff. And yeah, so it was like, it's a lot, but that was like very interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I'm with you. The video was odd. Song was cool. It's hard to focus on it though.
Right? But it's actually a good song. Like literally when I started like really focusing on the song, I was like, dang, you know, he can kind of sing. Like,
I mean, yeah, the song had a cool little sound. I mean, it's not like exactly.
You're more 90s,
my speed,
I'm more 80s.
You know what I mean? It wasn't exactly my speed, but it wasn't too far off. It wasn't like an ear bleeder. You know what I mean?
Yes, I understand. I understand. That was so strange. That was cool though. It was like I actually liked the like chop 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 chop. You know what I mean? It was just like. I mean, I thought
the video.
Yeah, I thought it was very artistic. I thought it was like.
Yeah, and picture like in the 80s.
Right? That's probably super cool in the 80s.
Right.
Like, I feel like if that was in an art museum, right, and there's like a little TV and it's displaying like a video where it's like chop, 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 I'd be like, that is cool. Because you don't see stuff like that modern day. You know what I mean? Nowadays, it's all about the like neon light lit whatever. Like they make a shape and then you see the lights and you know what I mean?
Easy on the eyes stuff. You know, smooth transitions.
You know what I'm saying? But the 80s, they were letting us know we were in for a rough transition in the future. You know what I'm saying? Chop, chop, chop. You know what I'm saying?
The 80s was like an adjustment period to technology, apparently.
Exactly. It was like, boom, here it is.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know. But I don't know.